Yan, kumain na kay Papa.
Good morning, ma'am. I found a half-eaten burger and an open soda bottle inside the minibar. These are perishable items. I'll record them in the lost and found register as half-eaten burger perishable, open soda bottle perishable.
Good. Now decide what to do with them based on policy.
Since there are perishable food items and have already been opened, they cannot be stored. I will dispose of them immediately following hotel health and safety policy to avoid contamination and pests.
Correct. Perishable and open food must be discarded for the safety of guests and staff.
Yes, ma'am. I will document the disposal as per standard protect procedure.